Good morning. Today I am on a mission. This is an interesting setup they have here. I'm in West Virginia. I'm in Morgantown, West Virginia, on my way to a great adventure. I've already had one flat tire. I was gonna go straight to my next stop, but I had to stop and take off this sweatshirt. The weather's been crazy. So I'm at Sandra's Antiques, which is interesting looking. I'm not sure what to expect. I'm definitely the only person here. Let's go in and see what they got. Well, considering I'm not far from Fenton, I'm about an hour and 45 minutes out, I'm assuming there's gonna be some awesome glass around here. Not far from Blanco nor Cambridge. Like, all the glass stuff is up this way. Oh, look at that paperweight. I'm not much of a paperweighter, but this green one is amazing. Let's see. What is that? Gibson green iridescent, $24. That's so pretty. I really like that. I would have thought it was Gibson. I'm not sure though. It's a really interesting color. Oh my gosh, look at all the little figurines. This one's particularly great. $10 each. Oh, and got some glowy glass, $50 each on the fairy lamps, although I will say I'm not much of a fairy lamper. This is a very interesting setup. It's definitely more packed than I thought it was gonna be. Random piece of carnival glass in the Fiesta. This room looks appealing to me. I feel like there's gotta be something in here. It's really random, I like that. Oh, the little dog. $10. Holiday Slinky Dachshund. I've never seen it with a slinky attached to it like that. Some Christmas. Interesting smushed face deer. Whoa. Morgantown green candle holder. Interesting. You know, I would have thought that this was Blanco. That's really interesting. It's got some chipping here. More mantique stuff in this room. Although I can get behind some of the mantique stuff. I like the signs. Well, this painting is $200, but there's something kind of special about it. I feel like moss. I'm not familiar with that name, but it definitely looks like it's got the certain je ne sais quoi. Have I already been in this room and I'm just crazy? I have. I somehow missed all these vases. This Fenton one is amazing. 140. This one's 69. That one's really pretty. 20 and a half, $125. I feel like that's a great price. Here we go. Now we're talking. This looks like me all day. Oh yeah, I can get behind this. Okay, so the first thing is gonna be this bangle here. $3, I love it. Let me, ooh. Stretchy zebra. Let's see, $4.50. Got a lot in my hands right now. I'm gonna take this black and white stretcher too. I'm assuming that is, yep, $4. Take that. I am having a grand old time digging through the jewelry. A lot of this look like it's mostly earrings. I've seen a couple pins so far. But yeah, it looks like to be mostly earrings. Random little Santa Claus. Ooh, and then a polka dotted one. $2. I also picked up this awesome one that I thought was going to be metal, but it is in fact plastic. I'm going to grab that too. What is this piece of pottery up here? A head on black block. MMA. Is that MMA pottery? Oh, it's got a broken piece up there, I was going to say. It's probably still a deal, but since the damage, I'm going to leave it. Well, I did go ahead and ask Dagny if I want to ship a 20 1.5 foot swung vase. She said no. However, I'm kind of thinking this Eldrith at $35, the Santa, is amazing. I might have to pick that up. Not a big Eldrith person, but the what am I talking about? The snowmen and the Santa sell really well. And I'm just sifting through the uniforms. You know, I love a good uniform. Some more Christmas. What's this little tree? Oh, this little tree is kind of, oh my gosh, it's plastic. $40, yeah. Mercury beads on it. Do I need this? Easy Rider motorcycle helmet with the American flag on it. I feel like that could come in handy one day. Maybe not for $69. Bird Sanctuary. Cool sign. It's a little rough condition though. This vase is kind of cool. Nasco Japan. I like that it's black and gray. And then over in this nook, paperweight, $6. Good price, but kind of boring. This is just my first stop. Paperweight, $5. Got some damage though, even though it's more interesting. Yeah, the prices are good. I'm just looking for that special something because I have a feeling the next place I'm going to is going to be actually crazy. What's this ashtray? That's kind of neat. Well, I did decide to take one last look in the glass cases. I really like that paperweight. I just think it might be a little bit close. Maybe not. It's really pretty. And that cookie jar, this glass jar is amazing. I'm pretty sure that's Blanco. I don't see a signature on it. Or maybe I'm just like, I'm scared to pick it up. Also, I think it's $100, which is probably a deal, but I don't want to mess with it for that. Well, I'm taking a second look. This one's really tempting at $125. I feel like that's super cheap. I'm personal to the Fenton, but at $140, I don't think I want to tamper with it. As tempting as it is, I am going to let it go. Dagny said I don't really want to ship this, and I don't think she's wrong. I'm not the biggest fan of it, even though it is a good deal. So I think I'm going to check out and get back on the road here. Well, very nice. Let me not forget to take this sweatshirt off, which was the whole thing of me stopping. Wow, look at the view. Hold on. This is much more interesting. Look at how pretty it is out here. So I ended up just getting the bracelets. I'm gonna hold out for my next stop, and I will see you guys when I get there. So after a 5-hour road trip, I'm hot, I'm tired, I am ready to shop. I decided to go rogue and explore a new area. Well, it's not that new. I went to Fenton last time I was in Ohio, but I didn't have enough time to explore the outlying area. So I'm here, I'm starting it off at Antique Mall of Marietta in Ohio, just over the bridge from West Virginia. Let's go in and see what they got. I'm excited because we're right near all the major glass people. Well, immediately upon walking in, this does not disappoint. Check that out. Oh my gosh, the jacket fits amazing. This is the one that really stands out to me. It's $225, 10% off. It's so pretty. I don't even know where to look first. I guess over here would be a good. Oh my gosh, look at the Holt Howard Cozy Kitty salt and pepper shakers. It's so funny. I was just joking with Alex about Holt Howard finds, but this is amazing. The letter holder at $99. That's a steal for a collector. It's a really hard to find piece. And over here, let's see. Wow, I'm super overwhelmed. This does not disappoint. Look at this Cupid with the heart. How much is that? Can't see the price on that. Oh, cat. So I tend to not glass baskets, but look at that. I love that. Ebony crest. That's something you don't see every day. Oh my gosh, this vase is amazing too. That's at $375. That purple color plum is hard to find. And I love the coin dot. Oh my gosh. This was such a good idea. Look at the mannequin head. That's only, let's see, 20% off and $30. That's a great buy. Wow, that's got some age to it too. Oh, she might have to come home with me. I love mannequin heads. All right, let's put my basket down. It's kind of tight in here. First thing I see is the Burmese. $40 and 20% off. Really pretty. I love Burmese. Burmese and the Rosaline, the pink stuff. Let's see what else is hiding back here. I'm a little overwhelmed, especially because I just got 5 hours of driving into the sun, among other things. Does that say $7.50? A little glowy vase, custard, $40. All right, 20% off anything over $20. And this is an amazing basket too. But it's actually over here that really caught my eye. I think this is gonna be the first thing I pick up as long as it's in good condition. There's no discount because it's just under 20. But I think that's amazing. I love that opalescent ombre. And then what's down here? Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. This, oh, hobnail. 59. 39. Oh, these are amazing. Wow. Love the color on that. And the print, it's so cool. It's like honeycomb. Now, these are probably Chinese, but they're really cool looking. I don't know. Let's see. It says Murano. I don't think it is. It's really neat looking, though. I love the green. And then over here, we have the blue. Oh my gosh. This is definitely overwhelming. Look at that. What's happening here? Joe St. Clair. Bring a picture. It's kind of boring compared to some of the stuff I'm seeing. Yeah, I like legitimately do not know which way to look. This is damaged but amazing. It's missing the key and some parts. Oh, it's a little cat. So good. $9 bud vase. Oh, he's kind of wild looking, the mouse.